what in your opinion, or who in your opinion, has the most Web3, I hate to butcher this question, but Web3-ish principles, right? Like which
Right.
platform is going to be the first to really adopt things like having social tokens within their platform? Do you, and is that coming within a year? Like, are these conversations you're having with, people at those companies?
Yeah, it'll be next year. And so one thing that I'm excited about is so Q mentioned that Roll was created like before Roll went live like 2 months before Uniswap V1. So like we had no real understanding of there'd be this super friendly interface that a whole new version of finance could be built on. So we had some really innovative creators, Q included, that built liquidity, and there's now a price to this thing that we thought was like a loyalty point, and like that was amazing. Now we're seeing the rise of like online gaming, GameFi, if you will, Web3 gaming, with play to earn. Guess what you can do with social tokens? Anything you can do in gaming or in any other space. So if there's a streaming platform out there that would integrate with Roll in the future, you can create a world where any artist you're listening to, you could earn their tokens. It's a new category that a platform can own. Let's call it listen to earn, right? And so you have 40 streaming platforms. What a cool way to differentiate. If I could listen to Drake on 40 different platforms, but there's this one platform where I can get Drake tokens, for
Hmm.
listening. And so this is something, that sense of belonging, that sense of meaning that you can get from a creator through their token is why we think this is the community asset. And so it's the job of Roll to, just like Stripe with payments, just make that ubiquitous. Do applause to earn with something like, spatial audio, live to earn in a metaverse, right? You could have a
Hmm.
universal basic income based on how long you're there. And so it goes on. And this is kind of, these are things that will happen. An interesting note is the way the space is growing. If you go to PayPal right now and buy Ethereum, it's a company behind the scenes called Paxos that's making that possible. So PayPal didn't create the wallets or the exchange, just everything's sourced from Paxos. If you go to public.com/crypto and you buy, I don't know, Uni there, that's a company called Apex behind the scenes doing the same thing. And so this thesis is coming true. Like the bigger guys, they're just going to use other infrastructure to kind of make what they want to see happen, and that's exciting. It's the next generation of builders. You guys are going to power a lot of stuff.
Yo, it's Nifty Q. I hope you enjoyed that short clip from my interview. Each week, I'm sitting down with some of the best founders in the industry to help you on your journey in NFTs and Web3. All the links to the podcast are in the description. Hope to see you there.